Welcome to BSc Statistics students. In this lesson, I discuss three definitions. One degenerate, second one non-degenerate, and third one optimum basic feasible solution. What is all these definitions based on basic feasible solution? Basic feasible solution means a feasible solution, a basic solution which satisfies non-negative restrictions. It is called basic feasible solution. If you consider a basic feasible solution, then only all these definitions are going to be defined. That which means first one, degenerate solution. A degenerate solution, when do you say a basic feasible solution is degenerate one? A basic feasible solution is called degenerate solution if one or more basic variables vanish, which means zero. At least one or more basic variables vanish, which means zero. Then that basic feasible solution is called, such basic feasible solution is called degenerate solution. Degeneracy means at least one basic variable must be zero. That is degenerate solution. Non-degenerate, of course, I need not to explain, but anyhow, right? Non-degenerate solution. A basic feasible solution is called non-degenerate basic feasible solution if all the basic variables are positive. All the basic variables are positive. Then it is called non-degenerate basic feasible solution or non-degenerate solution simply. It is also called degenerate basic feasible solution or simply degenerate solution. Or here it is also non-degenerate basic feasible solution or non-degenerate solution simply. Right? So these are first one, second one, degenerate, non-degenerate. Now we come to the optimum basic feasible solution. This is very important. For every problem we calculate this only. Optimum basic feasible solution. That is what our ultimate target, the final ultimate target, objective. What is optimum? Optimum in the sense that we know we have to, the very important definition of LPP based on the optimization. We have to select one such best alternative. It is going to be optimized, right? So we have to optimize the solution, right? So here in the sense that a basic feasible solution, the definition is a basic feasible solution optimizes the objective function. That is either maximizes or minimizes the objective function. Then it is called optimum basic feasible solution. That is, a basic feasible solution is called an optimum basic feasible solution if it optimizes the objective function, or that is the maximizes the objective function or minimizes the objective function. Then it is called optimum basic feasible solution. Hope you understand. These are the three important definitions. Thank you.